I'm back with our fabric. So this one is a map of the city of London. Will that not be the cutest project envelope you ever saw? And then the lining is a pink with white polka dots. So you're going to see this together. I cannot wait. I hope I can follow Vonna's instructions and do a good job on this. I'm so excited to try. And then this one is a spring print. And I absolutely love this light turquoise color, but look at the pinks in this. So it just kind of called out to me. And I went with polka dots again. The same light aqua with the white polka dots. So, here we go. But I need to buy the fusible batting and the Velcro. So, that's a project to come up in the next week or two. And again, thank you, Vonna. I have watched the tutorial and I'm going to be watching it several more times. You are so generous with your knowledge and your experience. We appreciate you for that. And I will try to put a link below. I'm not sure I'm very good at that. But if you have not watched her tutorials, they are so helpful. Let me close and wish you a wonderful Saturday evening, Sunday, and a great start to your first full week in February. And I hope I'll be back sooner rather than later to catch you up on what's going on and to show you all the whips, or at least as many as I can organize, because you know I have many whips, and no apologies for that, because if I want to start it and it calls to me, I just go for it. At my age, why not? Oh, I did think of one more thing, people, forgive me. I have a dear friend up on the eastern coast, and she and I have been friends for 30 years, but we have not lived near each other for, oh my goodness, how many years? 20-something. And we have gotten back in touch through our craft. And she's a big knitter and a quilter, but she also cross stitches. So we are dreaming of having a stitch along with one of the Rosewood Manor Quakers. I think her favorite is spring Quakers, and I'm about to decide that my favorite is summer Quakers. But we've got to decide, and then we have to invest in the linen and the pattern and then those Valdani threads. If anyone has stitched those Quakers, could you give me some comments about whether I definitely need to use Valdani, or is there a DMC conversion? I'm just being very cheap. I'm afraid the Valdani colors will be hard to duplicate, and I want it to be vibrant and beautiful. So if you've done any of the Quakers, let us know how you feel about using the Valdani. If I'm understanding correctly, you use 28 count linen and then all 3 plies of the Valdani. So let us know, because we're dreaming and planning to hopefully both stitch one of those together, and they're just gorgeous. I think I could do spring and summer, and then I'd want to do fall and winter. I've been watching any Flosstube that I can find where someone stitched one of those. But let me know if you are one who has done that, and if you suggest spring for the more expensive floss, and any other suggestions about those beautiful pieces, because I have not done a Rosewood Manor. All right, guys, it really is goodbye. Have a great weekend. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your stitching.